Modi with those details. Seema.
Kelly, some traders say the high price of the Bitcoin investment trust was pricing people out. It is up 1,700% over the past 1 year. This 91-for-1 stock split will bring down the share price from about $1,900 to $20 a share. Bitcoin Investment Trust has largely benefited from the rise in the underlying price of Bitcoin, which has resulted in more mainstream interest in Bitcoin. But not all investors are supportive. Merrill Lynch has banned its financial advisors from pitching this product to clients due to concerns around suitability and eligibility. And while this trust is traded on the OTC market, the goal is to be on a larger platform like the NYSE. Grayscale pulled its ETF application with the exchange late last year over fears of being rejected by the SEC. Kelly?
Seema, stay right there. You have a special guest for us, Michael Sonnenschein from Grayscale. They're the digital currency investing group. Michael, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
I mean, one thing I'm wondering, so can this deviate from net asset value? Has it done so quite substantially? And what would the stock split mean for that?
So we did announce the stock split, and historically, publicly quoted shares of the Bitcoin Investment Trust have traded at a premium to the net asset value. But I think more importantly is for investors to know that the product is available for purchase at the daily net asset value to really any accredited investor who wants to participate in the fund.
What do you think about the Merrill move when they said, look, we don't trust this, we don't trust the fiduciary responsibility we have, so we emphasize that so much, we don't want our brokers selling people your product?
I think that Bitcoin and the digital currency asset class as a whole, we all can clearly agree, does not come without its risks. And so we are working collaboratively with BAML and really any other firm out there that needs educational resources to understand the asset class better. I think ultimately what we're seeing, and certainly based on the trading volumes that we're experiencing in the Bitcoin Investment Trust, that there's clearly quite a bit of demand for this product. There are certain days now when the notional volume of the Bitcoin Investment Trust actually eclipses that of the Spider Gold ETF, which, as you know, is an instrument that not just individual investors use, but obviously many financial advisors.
Michael, for legal reasons, Michael, you can't discuss the ETF withdrawal, but how do you see the cryptocurrency market evolving if larger, more sophisticated products can come to the market because the SEC won't allow them to?
I think it's really just a matter of time. I mean, my team is squarely focused on product creation and trying to bring more investment products to the investment community for digital currencies that they're looking to participate in. As I think you know, Seema, we also operate the Ethereum Classic Investment Trust and the Zcash Investment Trust. The Ethereum Classic vehicle, we're actually already working to transition into the public markets later this year, which will bring yet another availability for investors to express a view on a digital currency through the purchase of a security.
Michael, lastly, do you see the appeal of investing in Bitcoin going away as these other cryptocurrencies come to market, like Ripple and Litecoin?
Well, I think what we're trying to ascertain at all times is the types of digital currencies that investors want exposure to. We're continuing to build out the product suite because investors are asking for products around Litecoin, Ripple, and we're actually very soon about to launch our first basket product, which will give people the ability to make a singular investment and get broad market exposure to several digital currencies at once.
All right, guys, thank you. Our Seema Modi, of course, Michael Sonnenschein, appreciate it very much.
Thank you.
Coming up, Facebook making some changes today in its news feed. Didn't help the stock.